Craving a radiant, healthy smile? It's easier than you might think. Today, we're going to explore some straightforward steps that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine to help maintain and improve dental health. Step 1 begins with brushing. It's not merely about doing it twice a day, but doing it right. A soft bristled brush and fluoride toothpaste make an ideal pair for your routine. The technique matters too, so make sure to brush in circular motions, reaching all areas of your mouth. Next, don't underestimate the power of flossing. Flossing daily is a must. It removes plaque and food particles brushing can't reach, helping to keep teeth and gums healthy. Thirdly, hydration plays a vital role. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day assists in washing away leftover food particles and keeping your gums well hydrated. It's a simple yet effective way to contribute to your oral health. A balanced diet also plays a significant role in a healthy smile. Consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins and minerals that your teeth and gums need to stay strong and healthy. Finally, never underestimate the importance of regular dental checkups. These visits allow for early detection and prevention of potential dental issues, helping to keep your smile bright and healthy. So, to recap, brush properly with a soft bristled brush and fluoride toothpaste, floss daily, stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and regularly visit your dentist. It's not rocket science, but these steps can make a world of difference for your teeth and gums. With these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to a lifetime of confident, healthy smiles. Remember, your smile is your best accessory, so take care of it. Your future self will thank you.